Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. Ali Shammal here by the roadside, our old place. I'm gonna fly the US Coast Guard version of BlackHawk UH-60, which also called Jayhawk or Seahawk. This is the Yuxiang FS-09S helicopter. Before you fly, you might want to check. There's a green solid LED on top of the helicopter right behind the rotors. This means all the GPS satellites are locked. And before flying, also make sure to wait until the radio gives you one long single beep. That means the helicopter has locked all the GPS positioning, and now whenever it will take off, it will mark that position as a return to home point. Okay, so after that, all you need to do is make sure the motor is unlocked on your radio. Okay, it's a white icon, unlock icon, and then you will move the sticks down outward to start the motor. Once it starts, just take off by pressing up on the throttle. Okay, not arrow, up on the throttle. Well, if you take too long, it will disarm the motor, so don't take too long. Okay, so here we go, starting again. There you go. Now it's your puppy right here, as you can see. It will hover, hold its position, and give you plenty of time to think and react for your flying. Okay, so it's windy a little bit, it's jumping up and down. Let me just bring it closer because I want to take a picture. All right, I got my pictures. Now let's fly it around. Flying it around is nice. It's kind of sluggish and slow. This is where you fly, you know, scale helicopters like, just like this. You will fly them nice and slow. No hurries, no fast movements, no 3D, nothing. Okay, now if you do want to fly it slightly faster, of course you can switch it to manual mode. Now manual mode does not do anything except that it will disengage the GPS and downward you know, optical flow sensor for positioning, and now you can get more speed to fly it around, but it's still kind of sluggish. However, you can see you can enjoy more speed, and as soon as you leave the sticks, you see it doesn't hold its position, it will keep on drifting. All right, so you put it on auto, and GPS and optical flow, everything comes back, and you can, you know, fly it worry free. Handle wind's pretty nice actually. I say today it's slightly windy and it's really doing a very nice position hold. Now the auto invert feature that they have programmed requires you to be at you know, 10 meters altitude. And there you go. Now you can fly it if you want inverted, which is, you know, kind of crazy to have BlackHawk inverted like this. You know, it's really kind of crazy. So go up again and press mode, and it will flip back to normal, and you can fly it normally. Well, that's what you can do to have fun, but it's not necessary to have this kind of feature. I have mentioned to the company as well, but they just want you to have fun. So hey, this is a feature you can have fun with. You also have auto circle feature, which is fine. You can put it in auto circle, but make sure that you have enough battery, and it will do auto circle. If it doesn't have enough battery, it will not do auto circle. Okay, so if you are unable to do auto circle, that means you do not have enough battery. Remember that. So that was auto circle, and then we also have you know, the kind of feature I say really not necessary. I mean, a lot of people have agreed that this feature has no use at all because you do not know what helicopter doing, and that feature is you know, auto making a heart, so heart flights. You see that? It will just go up and try to make a heart shape, but you know, nobody knows what the helicopter is actually doing, and given that winds and everything, you know. So it's still pretty useless feature, I would say. I hope that Yuxiang can actually, you know, program something else instead of the heart, you know, like figure 8 flight, you know, that would be nice, you know, like this. It goes itself doing a figure 8. That would be nice, man. All right, so people, that was the flight. This is the flight of Yuxiang F09S. Now I got another beep. This means battery is getting low, and I have a fencing activated, and you can only go 20 meters and 25 meters altitude, 20 meters distance and 25 meter altitude. Nice, neat helicopter, you know. You can fly it around very easily. Even kids can fly it. It's very, very easy to fly. Very easy to control. Looks very beautiful in the sky, of course. You know, pretty responsive as well. And you know, you can have fun. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can actually have fun flying this helicopter around. You can fly it very easily. And not just that, but also have fun flying it. Now what I'm doing, please do not do. If you are a beginner, don't fly it too close to yourself. I have years and years of experience flying RC helicopters. I even fly 3D helicopters, so I know what I'm doing. I wouldn't recommend beginners to do this thing like flying this helicopter too close to yourself. I know GPS holds position, but still you cannot trust these systems completely. Especially if you give this helicopter to a kid, I would suggest that you must have an adult supervision. Someone with experience flying RC helicopters must be around the kid and guide the kid to fly this helicopter all the time, monitor and supervise. Okay people, that was a flight of Coast Guard helicopter. You know, UH-60 BlackHawk, Yuxiang F09S. You cannot drive this helicopter on the ground. That is why I like the BlackHawk version, you know, right here, this one. Because this is complete manual. You can put it in 3D and you can even drive this helicopter on the ground. So you can basically do taxiing with this helicopter and, you know, do some really realistic takeoffs and landings and have more fun. All right people, thank you very much for watching this video. Have fun and stay tuned for more videos. Stay subscribed to my channel, hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications. Links to these beautiful and gorgeous helicopters are in video description. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.